the rumor mill has already started leaking details about the Xiaomi 16 series. A recent report suggested that Xiaomi's upcoming 16 Pro could feature a 3D printed metal middle frame. DCS also suggests the Xiaomi 16 Pro may feature an extra button on the frame. It seems like a customizable button that can be used as an AI button, a pressure-sensitive gaming button, a dedicated camera shutter, or as a mute switch. A new leak by Tipster Digital Chat Station talks about the Xiaomi 16 Pro's display design and specifications. The 16 Pro will sport a flat-screen design with ultra-thin, uniform bezels. It will be a massive 6.85-inch LTPO OLED panel that offers a 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. This advancement is expected to surpass the bezel control of Apple's iPhone 16 Pro models, which currently have side bezels measuring 1.44mm and top and bottom bezels at 1.41mm. The Xiaomi 16 Pro debut with the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 in October of this year, so we're still a long way from that point. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.